Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and initiating the update. First, make sure you have a recent backup, file history, or OneDrive so you can recover files if needed. Next, plug the laptop into power, connect to stable Wi-Fi, and confirm at least 20% free disk space. These conditions prevent interruptions. From there, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates to start downloading. This kicks off the process and ensures you get the latest patches and drivers. Once the update appears, you'll watch the download and installation flow closely. The system may list optional driver or feature updates. Review those because drivers affect hardware stability. If the download stalls, make sure your connection is stable and pause, then resume if needed. After files are ready, select Install. Windows will prepare and then prompt for restart. You can choose Restart Now for immediate install, or schedule restart at a convenient time so work isn't interrupted and the installation completes cleanly. After the update finishes and your PC restarts, verify completion in Settings Windows Update and look for any error messages. If something went wrong, like drivers failing or apps misbehaving, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to detect common faults and uninstall or roll back the problematic driver via Device Manager. If needed, use a restore point to return to a prior state. Make sure you keep 1 or 2 restore points before major updates so you can revert within the grace period if stability issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.